Bathed in the glow of laptop screens, Emma, Tom, and Lena sit at their desks, lost in the digital world. Professor Hill stands at the front, his voice resonating with passion as he unravels the mysteries of conditional loops. Tom steals glances at his phone, a smirk playing on his lips. Lena, oblivious to the world around her, stares intently at her code, completely absorbed. The lights flicker, casting eerie shadows that dance across the faces of the students. A soft, persistent buzzing fills the room, growing louder and more insistent. Darkness descends as the lights abruptly fail, plunging the classroom into absolute black. Faint daylight barely pierces the gloom, casting the classroom in a dim, uncertain light as students murmur in confusion. Lena cries out, "I didn't save my code!" Emma echoes the sentiment, her voice filled with dismay. "Me neither." Professor Hill, with a twinkle in his eye, declares, "Let's try something old school. No screens, just logic." He sketches a whimsical robot on the whiteboard, triggering a wave of laughter. Emma, with a playful grin, exclaims, "Hey, that robot looks like Tom." Tom, feigning offense, retorts, "What? Mine has better hair." The classroom is filled with the vibrant energy of collaborative minds, each student eager to contribute their ideas and sketches. Emma, Tom, and Lena huddle closely, their whispers weaving together solutions and diagrams. Emma's eyes light up with inspiration as she declares, "Let's build a program in our minds." Tom nods in agreement, adding with a grin, "No errors this way." The classroom lights flicker back to life. Laptops hum, and screens glow. Lena exclaims, "Yay! My work's still here." Emma sighs in relief. "Saved by auto. Save." Professor Hill smiles. "See? You don't need tech to think like a programmer." Tom replies, "But it sure helps."